1 Orlando Pirates, 2 Mamelodi Sundowns. Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives ale game ade siyibuka namhlanje bafethu. Ode kuyi-game emnandi indlela eyisimanga. Ama-team omabili buwabona ngempela ukuthi ade efuna ukuyiwina le game le. Indlela eqala ngakhona le game le ibishisa ngempela. So ngizokhuluma nje ngendlela Orlando Pirates eyi-approach ngakhona le game le. Ngizokhuluma nje ngendlela i-Orlando Pirates edlale ngakhona. The reason why Orlando Pirates ingawunqobanga lo mdlalo lo obubaleke kakhulu kanje. Remember ke njengoba Mamelodi Sundowns nje iwinile le game le ine game in hand. Uma yisebenzisa leyo game in hand, iwina leyo game in hand, bazokwazi ukuthi bayi-overcome Orlando Pirates babe phezulu kwe-Orlando Pirates. Kumagoli amahle aqhamuka kumdlali okubani okuBrian Leon, umjida ushaya ibrace nanamhlanje bafethu. Umjida uyadlala ngempela. Kubukeka ngawuthi imali abayikhiphile kuyena ngoJanuary iyabasebenzela right now eMamelodi Sundowns. So ngizoqala nje nge-approach ye-Orlando Pirates, indlela eyi-approach ngakhona le game le. So indlela esiyi-approach ngakhona le game le bafethu icishe ifane nangendlela le engiyisethe ngakhona mina i-lineup prediction. Mwase ukukhumbula nje kahle i-lineup prediction yami bengishilo ngempela ukuthi i-setup yethu izocisha ifane kanje. Okubani usibelebeleke bengekho kwi-lineup prediction yami, bengifake bani, bengifake uVan Rooyen. Usibisi naye ubengekho kwi-lineup prediction, bengifake bani na, bengifake uMphotsi Abatsana. Sokuthi up front bengingamfakanga uMbuthuma, ngafaka bani, uMahopa. So iyona ke i-lineup ucoach le adecide ukuzoqala ngayo against iMamelodi Sundowns. Ngiyasibona bafethu sisithu noMtajela, uMakhawula, mase kubuTito Maswanganyezo number 10, mase kuthi ama-forwards kuba u-Apolis, uMbuthuma, mase kuba uMfukeng. So ngizokhuluma nje ngendlela esiqale ngakhona le game. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga. Orlando Pirates iqale kahle le game le. They started this game on a high note. But ke the chances we got asikwazanga ukuthi siwasebenzise ama-chances esiwatholile. If ubone igoli lokuqala elitholwe iMamelodi Sundowns, remember there was a crucial chance emiswe uTito Maswanganyi. Tito Maswanganyi did the same thing last week when we played against iMarumo Gallants. If you saw that game, kuMarumo Gallants lapho khona kuze kuthiwa uMbuthuma uyena ophazamise uTito Maswanganyi, ngabe uTito Maswanganyi ukorile lapha. Akusile iqiniso lelo bafethu. Uma usubuyele kwemuva kulela goli la elimisile uTito against iMarumo Gallants, it's the same thing against iMamelodi Sundowns. Once you play with a team like iMamelodi Sundowns, ama-mistakes owenzayo, they tend to capitalize kuma-mistakes owenzayo. They thrive on ama-mistakes enziwa ama-teams. That is why they tend to win i-league kakhulu, because ama-team avele enze i-mistake mase-ke beya-capitalize kuleyo mistake babambe kahle kwi-count. Namhlanje iMamelodi Sundowns ibidlala nge-offside trap. Offside trap ibabulalele kakhulu Orlando Pirates, isibulale kakhulu namhlanje. Bebekwazi ukuthi badlale ibhola eliphezulu. Itempo yabo ibi-high kakhulu. Yabo itempo yeMamelodi Sundowns ibi-high kakhulu. Bebekwazi futhi ukuthi bayi-adjust i-game, bakwazi ukuyi-controller, bayi-slow it down. Ungasubheka ama-offside Orlando Pirates, maningi ama-offside Orlando Pirates ebinawo kule game le, because udonga leMamelodi Sundowns meluma liyama. I-last man yeMamelodi Sundowns ubungayiboni. There was no last man kuMamelodi Sundowns. Orlando Pirates ibilowo iba nama-offside because they knew. Mina ngokubona kwami, first half coach uyabona ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns idlala ama-offside trap. Uyabona ukuthi basibambile ngalento. Why siqhubeka sidlala ama-long ball? Why siqhubeka sifuna ukudlala ibhola behind i-defense eMamelodi Sundowns? Because you see ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns isimasterishile indlela Orlando Pirates edlala khona. We tend to play ibhola wide. Besidlala ibhola wide siyazi sisebenzisa abadlali laba bama-wing backs bakwazi ukuthi ba-drive kahle baye phambili. Sisebenzisa ama-wing backs kakhulu. I feel like uMiguel Cardoso uyihlalele phansi le game le wayicubungula kahle. Kule game le si-approach le game with ama-wing backs. Ama-wing backs okubani okuDion Hoto with uSibelebele. Siyamazi uSibelebele ucabangisa kuyiwinga. Uyiwinga kahle uSibelebele, uyakwazi ukuthi aye phambili, akwazi ukuthi a-add amagoli, akwazi ukuthi asize i-team i-attack. But ke playing a player like uSibelebele in a game like this is a crucial decision eyenziwe ucoach. It's a brave decision eyenziwe ucoach. Yes, I know uSibelebele scored previously against Mamelodi Sundowns. He did well previously against Mamelodi Sundowns. But again, look at this game and look at your player that you are playing against Mamelodi Sundowns. This player recently came back from injury. Akanayo performance ekahle. Yabo, you've put a player who's been playing very good for a team, okuBani, okuVan Rooyen. Dion Van Rooyen have been playing very good for Orlando Pirates in these last 3 games. Particularly game akayiqalanga bafethu. Reason why I'm highlighting uSibelebele kule game le, I feel like uSibelebele was told ukuthi angabuyi kakhulu move, aye phambili, yabo ayo add ama numbers. If you saw igoli lesibili elikorwe eMamelodi Sundowns, uSibelebele was not on his position. Sibelebele was not on his position. You saw Aubrey Modiba taking that ball and put it wide. Sabona lapho siyema ehlule ukucoverisha ibhola wasefika kuBrian Leon washaya igoli lesibili. Abachida bebedlala wide kakhulu because they wanted to play those long balls aye ngemuva ku-defense eMamelodi Sundowns, which is something not right. Siyabuya second half sisenza the same thing. Siyabuya second half sisenza the same thing. We are still playing the ball behind the defense of Mamelodi Sundowns. Yes, Tito Maswanganyi utholile opportunity walikora igoli. Yabo. I'm very, very happy with the goal alikorile umchita. But again, why are we still doing the same thing? You saw Tito Maswanganyi was not playing good with first half. Why ulinda isikhathi eside kanje uzumkhiphe? Why ulinda isikhathi eside kanje uzumkhiphe? Uyabona ukuthi umdlali ubani odlala up front okubani okumbuthuma akayinikezi lutho team. Why are you keeping Umbuthuma up front? Besidlalisa Umbuthuma up front. The reason why I started with uMakgopa on my lineup prediction, I know Mamelodi Sundowns is kanjani. They tend to play ibhola emuva. When they play ibhola emuva, they tend to make mistakes. You saw igame isathana kuqala ukuthi they were making mistakes emuva. But again, there was not that person or striker for Orlando Pirates or player who was pressing them really, really hard. If we had that player, you know the player who likes to press team adlala ibhola emuva. You know the player. You know uMakgopa. uMakgopa in games like this, you need a player like uMakgopa in games like this. In a game like this, actually, you need a player like Evidence Makgopa. Yes, he may score Umbuthuma. He may score goals, but in a game like this, Mamelodi Sundowns, they knew ukuthi Orlando Pirates ngeke izidlale ibhola elejwayele ukudlala. Izofuna ukudlalisa ibhola behind the defense. Njengoba sodlalisa ibhola behind the defense, where is uMakgopa? Lo uzokwazi asize team create ama chance because umjito phambili ngiyaza ukuthi ay create ama chance because thina sidlala ibhola phezulu, sidlala ibhola ama long ball. uHota akafuna ukushaya ama square pass. Angifune ukukhuluma kakhulu eswini. Yabona indaba yamNemtajela, when we speak about Nemtajela, people tend to think we don't like the boy. Nemtajela is a very, very good player. He's a very, very good player uNemtajela bafethu. Ayikho nathi into besingayenza namhlanje. It looks like Umbatha, he wasn't really cleared. We saw Umbatha training with the first team yesterday, but we didn't see Umbatha in the starting lineup today. We didn't even see uThalente Mbatha bafethu ebenchini. Yabo. So, playing a player like uNemtajela in a game like this is very, very, very suicidal, to be honest. Language, it is very, very dangerous because if you look at a player like Nemtajela, for me, he tends to roam around in that midfield. Yabo, he plays like a number 8, but again, he doesn't really play like a box-to-box number 8. If uMakhehleni Makaule petty bowler, I don't really see uNemtajela raising his hand or coming forward to receive the ball. As a number 8, you should always be there next to your number 6. Each and every time number 6 wakho emaga, each and every time number 6 wakho ephethe ibhola, kumele ube khona ungacashi. Ilo yonto differentiator uNemtajela with uThalente Mbatha. uThalente Mbatha is that box to box midfielder. uThalente Mbatha ever since wafika kuLorlando Pirates ubengakaze adliwe eMamelodi Sundowns. Siyazi usime khona yena wenza kahle, but ke angifuni ukumthwesa icala kakhulu uNemtajela namhlanje. Siyazi vele usime edlala against the Sundowns akaperformi kahle and futhi akalimazwanga uyena uThalente Mbatha. Yabo, akalimazwanga uyena. Kuvele kwaqondana nje ukuthi uThalente Mbatha azolimala sizobhekana with iMamelodi Sundowns. But ke ngokwami mina Orlando Pirates kule game le igwaze ngowayo umkhonto. I feel like ucoach amxakile ama substitutes abadlali abade bafaka. Yabo, kumxakile nje kakhulu because ngibonile uMfukeng ukuyamisa ka number 10. Yabo, wamnisa number 10 uMfukeng ngosikhathi ezofaka uMorem. Ngosikhathi nje ezofaka uMorem uMfukeng beka number 10. Kwakhishwa futhi uApolice, wasekhishwa uApolice kwafakwa bani? Kwafaka uDe Jong. Yabo, uDe Jong esesefikile umbani uMfukeng wasehamba futhi eyodlala iwing. uDe Jong wasebu number 10. Asebu number 10 ke manje uDe Jong. Wabona ukuthi ucoach ayisebenzi leyo, wafaka bani? Wafaka lo mjida lo Msendamo. Wamfaka uMsendamo, wakhipha bani? Wakhipha lo mjida uMbuthuma. Wasesemkhiphile uMbuthuma, shothi uMfukeng wabuya zo number 10, wathi uDe Jong waya up front, kwase wathi lo mjida lo uNemsendamo wabuyi wing. I feel like ucoach bisimxaka kakhulu igame, imlahlile. Yabona nje second half, I don't think ucoach ubewazi second half uzokwenza njani. I don't think ubewazi, I don't think igame plan ubenayo. But ke wena ungangitshela uyizwe kanjani le game le. So far mina I'm really not impressed ngegame namhlanje. Abajida they've let the fans down. But again, let's hope they will bounce back. Orlando Pirates.